Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down essentials so you can act immediately. First, verify the questionnaire flow, variable names, and value labels so nothing misaligns. Then import the raw CSV or XLSX into your tool, keeping an untouched master file. Once done, run quick integrity checks, confirm row counts, identify duplicate respondent ID, scan for impossible dates or values, and flag obvious invalid responses. This fast triage prevents downstream confusion and lets you move into focused cleaning with confidence. Now you tackle the detailed cleanup and coding that shape valid results. Start by standardizing text, trimming whitespace, and unifying date formats so merges work correctly. Next, recode categorical items into consistent codes, collapse sparse levels, and construct numeric scales or indices where appropriate. Once variables are stable, assess missingness. Look for patterns by group and variable. Decide whether to use listwise deletion, simple imputation, or weighting adjustments, and document that choice. These middle steps create analyzable variables and finish by turning cleaned variables into actionable findings. Run descriptive statistics and crosstabs to surface patterns, then create concise visuals to confirm trends. Once comfortable, apply appropriate significance tests or regression models, saving both outputs and the code that generated them for reproducibility. Export clean datasets and a method summary for stakeholders. If you encounter contradictory results, stop and recheck recoding decisions, sample weights, and how you handled missing data. Often the issue traces back to an earlier transformation or a mislabeled variable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.